I'm Advait. I shoot product listing for living. You know, single product listing is very helpful diagnosis. First of all, it's cost friendly. Second of all, it has ton of insight. I hope you have reviewed the case study video. What you need to do is give me your product link so that I can check the entire web page in terms of images that you have used, text you have added, the way it is presented, and everything else which buyer notices in the first few seconds before they decide. Before I start, I will give you a short call to know about your brand and whom you are selling to. Just to tell you that we do this audit ourselves. We do not ask AI tools to do it on our behalf. That's a promise. So when we complete the audit, you get a fixed list specific to your product, and the report is mailed to you within 24 hours. If you choose to upgrade it to the Visual Brand Audit, this amount gets reduced from the total value of Visual Brand Audit service. If you believe that your listing is same as every other competitor, then you know you could do it more because your product is unique. If that's the case, please fill in the details below and let's get started.